Good afternoon. It's May 28th, 2024, and today we had a down day. Uh, you can see it looks like prices just bounced at this price level right here from what I would assume is Friday's price action. So let me take a look. I didn't really look at the 17,000 tick chart. That'll give us a better idea of what's going on. So I was playing this range for a few days. I remember that. And we failed to hit a measured move to the high side, which created a larger breakout to the low side, but that failed to hit a measured move as well. And we failed. It looks like we're failing to break out today, but we could, sell off and hit that measured move. This is actually, I think this is a small, 42 points, 42-point day. So we could sell off some more because I think the average day right now is about 60 points. So anyway, yeah, and I like this, right? I would like getting short in here because it looks like you have one leg of correction, two legs of correction. Price is going sideways, and there's a measured move target right here from the overnight range. Although some people might be looking for a larger target because they might look for that. So either way. So anyway, let's take a look. So I was looking at this channel, but now it looks more like it would be like this, steeper. And that these two highs correspond with each other. So I do think this is it. Regardless, we were making higher lows and higher highs. And that started from yesterday, Memorial Day. You had this rally. And what happened was people bought the 50% pullback. And then it went a little bit beyond those highs. And then it sold off. And then we just went sideways. So if you have a chance to buy low in this range, in this sideways stuff, then you can do it. And this is a good opportunity right here. And I think that's at like 5:50 a.m. And then it just continues to go sideways. There was a news item at 7 a.m. So I'm sure that people were just waiting for that. But we did get a leg down here. And you can see we got a second leg down right there. So shortly before the news item, that second leg occurred. And then right as that news item came out, boom, got some buying that came in. And we had this tight range. You hit a measured move of that, come back in, and it just bounces back and forth. And I don't really like any of this. Maybe you go long right there, but I'm not crazy about that. This is just very tight, this trading range. So no short setups up here. Still no short setups. We break out to the high side a little bit right here, comes back, tests this price level, breaks out to the high side again, and you get this bearish lower high. I like that one, especially since these are consecutive lower highs. I like that. Comes down here, and then you get like a head and shoulders bottom, as Al Brooks calls it, and just a higher low of the bullish bar right here. I marked this blue, but I think you should mark it green because of, I was going to say because it's in the range, but you can see this price level right here. It's clearly a level of support. So it's green, but maybe you could argue for it to be blue. And then we break out to the low side and form this range right here. Breaks out of that to the high side, hits the measured move, and then it sells off, and we get this strong move down. That I don't really see a good way to get in on it. This is a failed second entry long, but It's not, you don't want to enter below that bar, I don't think. That's just tough. So, yeah, we got one leg of correction right here, and then you get a stronger leg right here. And so we could, it's a range right now, so anything could happen. Um, so yeah, another 40 minutes until the market closes to the public. So not a whole lot of trades here, but if you were being aggressive, you could scalp, go short up here, go long down here. You could just short this channel down. So plenty of ways to enter, just not any great scalp setups by Max System. So I hope everyone had a great day. I'll be back tomorrow.